Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make industrial building gallery. Okay, first of all we have to make a basic shape with a rotated rectangle. We have to make the dimension around 10,000 millimeter or 10 meter. Then we can set the height of this building around 20 millimeter or 20 meter. Sorry, you have to offset it. We have to make the rotated rectangle around 10,000 millimeter and then 20,000 millimeter. Okay, just like this. Then we have to push it up around 300 millimeter of the floor thickness, and then we have to make group. So then we have to move it to the upper position and duplicate it around a 5 meter. It's just like this. So then we can make the basic shape of the building skin anyway. Then we have to make a rotated rectangle over there. So then we can offset it inside or outside, or just set it to the midpoint of this rectangle perimeter. It's depend on you. For this case, I will offset it outside around 150 millimeter. 150 millimeter. So then we have to delete the center plane over there. Then we have to push it down. I have to push it down anyway. I have to push it down around the 3,500 millimeter. Okay, so then we can push it up around 800 millimeter, just for example anyway. So then we can make it group, and we can adjust the corner shape of this gallery building. I would like to adjust with this pattern anyway. We have to make a rectangle, so then we have to push it to the back. Okay, so we have to make it push it to the limit. So then we can make it to push it to the another side anyway, like this, for example, just like this anyway. Okay, and then we can push it to the upper position again. Then we can delete this unnecessary line. We have to push it up, okay, approximately but like this. So then we can make the another skin of this building anyway. We can make another variation skin with a rectangle. Then we can select the scale option. Then we can place on this ground anyway. Then we can also push it to the front position around 300 millimeter to make a thickness. So then we can push it up around 200 millimeter. Okay, and then we can just make the rectangle over there to make the canopy extension. Then we have to select this plane, and then we have to push it to the another side anyway. So then we can push it to the front again around 400 millimeter, just like this. So then we can make a rectangle again on here to make the shape of this corner. So then we can move it until this position anyway. Then we can make the line over there. So then we can push it down anyway. Okay, and then we can just make it group, and we can select the dark color to make another variation of it. So then we can make the glass component on the the center of building anyway. We can use the rectangle. Then we can place from this front corner to the back corner over there. Sorry, we can make a rectangle and make from, okay, just like this. Then we have to offset it inside. We can offset it inside around 50 millimeter. So then we can delete some unnecessary plane over there. Then we have to select all this perimeter of the plane of the glasses panel basic pattern. So then we have to push it up around the level as we want anyway. For example, I just wanna take the upper position. Okay, then we have to make group, and also we can assign a material with the glass material over there. Then we can set the opacity, and we can set the color brightness or the darkness. So then we can adjust the wall panel itself anyway. We can set this, we can just click it and we can just click it. Just we can select this both of this corner line of the front side. Then we can select a move and press Ctrl to duplicate it, and then we can move and close the position in here. Then we can type 20 slash, so it will be arranged automatically of the both side, right and left. So then we can make duplicate again from this line. Then we can make the duplicate again. We can select this both of line, 1 2 line. Okay, then we can move. We can press Ctrl and duplicate it, and then we can place it to be here. Then we can type 10 slash, so it will be automatically arrangement anyway. Okay, and after that we can make the another element. We can make the landscape area anyway. We can make the large and landscape area, then we can push it down, so then we can make group. And after that we can make the another element of this building atmosphere. We can set okay, we can push it to down first. After there, and then we can make a rectangle. Okay, just like this. So then we can make the rectangle again anyway. Okay, then we can push it the upper position over there. Then we can offset it inside. Okay, just like this. So then we can select the landscaping. We can select this vegetation grass, and then we can make group. Okay, and after that we can also make the another landscape element anyway, or in this area, or in this area, and anywhere you want anyway. It's just for example, you can put it the landscape texture over there. Then we can set the landscape element with this material, anything. So then we can adjust the main skin of this building. We can use concrete anyway. Okay, you can use concrete, and we can set the darkness and many more. Okay, and also we can set the height of it. We can set the height maybe around 2400 millimeter. So then we can adjust it. Just for this side anyway. Just for this side, we can push it up. Okay, we can push it up until right here. Okay, so it's probably to make the entrance area. For example, we can make the entrance area over there. It's just for example, we can make this, and we can make the another slab anyway. So then we can make the canopy over there. We can make the another canopy, then we can push it to the front, and and we can make group, and so then we can adjust the canopy. Then we can set the material of this landscape area, this floor anyway. And anyway, we can make the another column support for the support anyway. We can push it to the upper position, and then we can adjust the another color. We can use this. Okay, it's just for example anyway, so you can make it by yourself. And then after that we can make the another component, such as the tree anyway. We can make the tree. Okay, we can make the tree over there, and we can push it to the back. We can push it down anyway. So then we can make the color with the green. Then we can edit the opacity. So then we can move and duplicate it. We can place here, or we can place here anyway, or anything you want, everywhere, anywhere you want, be just like this. It is for parking area, or maybe okay, it's depend on you anyway. So then we can make the another component. We can use people. We can use people over there. We can use people over there. Okay, and then we can set the shadow. Okay, we can set the shadow option. Okay, just like this, or maybe just like this. It's depend on you. Okay, I think it's better. So it's all about the industrial gallery building, and I hope it will be benefit and advantage to all of you. And don't forget to develop yourself to make the another shape of this building, and wait for my next video. Thank you.